wild Honda.
Wild Honda and the wild
Honda.
Hi everybody, I'm back again with the 2019 Honda Civic LX hatchback here with Jen today. Today we're going to be putting on some guards onto the windows that help you open it up while you're driving throughout the weather, so you can even enjoy. And I probably need to open the car for you, don't I?
Do.
All right. Okay, so today guys, we got the ProCivic company's wind deflector guards for the windows. Not exactly sure what the exact name is, but I just do want to thank them for these products, since I did have ones before. They were completely horrible. The fitment was off, just ended up selling them. But these I heard really good reviews about, so we're going to go ahead and open these up, and I'll show you guys exactly how to do it properly. And it's a little rainy today, but dried up. But let's make this happen. Alright, so with ProCivic's wind visors, basically you get these opaque looking visors that come with holes pre-drilled into them. So what you're going to do is eventually attach the 3M tape on the back to the actual window, and then use the holes that are drilled here to attach an additional grip that will let your window deflector stick onto your windows for as long as possible. Alright, so first thing you're going to want to do is align these holes with the window with one of these clips. Basically it goes in with the top side up, such as so. Basically you're going to go ahead and put this into one of these locations here, so that way it locks into place. As you were seeing before, you want to position it with the holes as best as possible. It doesn't have to be 100% accurate, but you want it to be 100% accurate. As soon as you get them in the right positions, you close the window on top of them, so that way they stay in place. The way they'll stay in place as you continue to keep driving is that as you screw it in, these will bend, therefore causing the clips inside the window to expand and keep them into place. This is how they should look. Now on to the next one. Just do the same thing on all four. Don't open the windows when you put these on. They fall right off. So let's do it again. Alright guys, so now what I like to do is clean it off a little bit before putting on the attachments. Now here's a 3M vinyl tape. What I like to do is, as I put it on, I remove one side. So as soon as I position that one side, the tape will be hanging out from the top. And as you pull the tape, you're going to be pressing down, so that way it sticks to the window. So what you're gonna do, stick one of these bad boys, stick it into here, and once your windows are aligned properly, check through here, position them correctly, and shove in. There you go, locked into place. And here is your finished product. Let's do them all. I'm gonna fast forward, show you guys the end.